Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Elgin Martinez from the Immigrant Edification Channel, the only channel that addresses real immigrant issues, coming to you with another informative video. But ladies and gentlemen, the video today is going to be about a new ICE case review process that has been implemented under the Biden administration to assist people who might have been denied by immigration to have their case reviewed. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, this article is from uscis.gov and it's dated March 5th. Ladies and gentlemen, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to have to go verbatim on this article. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement and Removal Operations announced the ICE case review process for individuals who believe their case does not align with ICE's enforcement, detention, and removal priorities. This process, ladies and gentlemen, continues effort to further the development of an orderly immigration system that treats individuals humanely while ensuring national security, border security, and public safety. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the Icr process, as it is known, offers another channel through which non-citizens and their representatives can request that ICE exercise its prosecutorial discretion on a particular non-citizen behalf and to resolve questions and concerns consistent with law, policy, and the interests of justice. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, what is prosecutorial discretion? Ladies and gentlemen, prosecutorial discretion is when a prosecutor has the power to decide whether or not to charge a person of a crime and which criminal charges to file. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is a rather broad power that also gives prosecutors the authority to enter into plea bargains with a defendant, which can result in the defendant pleading guilty to a lesser charge or receiving a lesser sentence for pleading guilty to the original charge. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, an example of prosecutorial discretion would be a case where an individual is stopped by a police officer. The police officer conducts a search on the individual's person and in the process finding 2 sticks of marijuana on that person. Instead of charging that person with possession, the police officer would then warn that individual, after which the individual is released. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, ICE remains dedicated to providing multiple lines of communication representatives to discuss individual cases, said ICE Acting Director Ty D. Johnson. The case review process, according to Ty D. Johnson, ladies and gentlemen, provide an avenue for non-citizens and their representatives to request further review of the individual facts and circumstances of their case in light of ICE priorities, enforcement, detention, and removal, offering additional transparency into the immigration process. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, individuals requesting a detention case review should contact their local ERO field office for initial consideration. Upon request, cases will be further reviewed by a senior reviewing official who, where appropriate, will communicate the ultimate resolution with the requester. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, the cases of individuals detained in ICE custody or pending imminent removal will be prioritized. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, according to Ty D. Johnson, as a law enforcement agency within the Department of Homeland Security, ICE is charged with enforcing immigration laws in a way that supports and prioritizes national security, border security, and the public safety. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that you can be informed whenever I upload another video. Last but not least, thanks to all my viewers and subscribers, and ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your support as always.